Hello trainees, I'm excited to welcome you to this training course on Perform Chemical Analysis. I'm your trainer, Dr. Alphonse. We're about to dive into a hands-on journey that'll sharpen your skills in the lab, step by step. Let's start with the big picture. What are we actually going to cover in this course? First up, we'll get right into chemical sampling. Think of this as the first crucial step in any analysis. You'll learn how to identify which type of chemical analysis fits the client's needs. Then, we'll talk about how to gather your tools and equipment, making sure you're set up for success before you even touch a sample. You'll practice collecting chemical samples, always following your organization's procedures to the letter. Next, we'll move on to preparing chemical reagents. This is where things get a bit more technical, but also more interesting. You'll learn how to figure out exactly which reagents you need based on the test you're running. I'll show you how to use the mole concept to calculate the right concentrations. Don't worry if math isn't your strong suit, we'll break it down together. You'll also learn how to assemble all the necessary apparatus and equipment and then prepare and safely store those reagents, just like in a real lab. Now, let's talk about volumetric analysis. This is one of the bread and butter techniques in chemistry, titrations. Assemble all the equipment you need, get your reagents ready, perform titrations according to the official lab manual. You'll process your results and learn how to write them up in a professional technical format. But the fun doesn't stop there. We'll also cover gravimetric analysis, another core method used in labs everywhere. Gather and set up your equipment. Prepare your chemicals. Master gravimetric techniques by the book. You'll process your results and document everything clearly and properly in your lab manual. Throughout the course, Mr. Alphonse will be there to demonstrate, answer questions, and make sure you understand not just the how, but also the why behind each step. By the end, you'll be confident in your ability to sample, prepare, analyze, process, report, just like a real lab pro. So, get ready to learn, get your lab notebook ready, and let's make some chemistry happen. See you in class. Join Mr. Alphonse for hands-on labs, clear instruction, and practical skills. Sampling, reagents, volumetric and gravimetric analysis, and professional reporting, all included. Everything you need to become lab ready. Sign up, come prepared, and bring questions. Check the course schedule and materials linked below. We can't wait to get started. Sampling, prepare reagents, titration, gravimetry, reporting, hands-on guidance every step of the way. Remember, safety first. Follow SOPs and PPE rules. Follow procedures to ensure valid results. Good lab habits make great scientists. Check session dates and bring your materials. Reach out to Mr. Alphonse with questions before class. Prepare your kit ahead of time. You'll leave with practical skills and confidence. Real techniques, real results. See you in the lab. Click enroll. Check the description for materials and bring your curiosity. Mr. Alphonse and the team, see you soon. Welcome to Scene 2, where we break down the key learning points. You'll master them in this course. First, chemical sampling. Select the right type of analysis based on client needs. Practice precise sampling following strict procedures. Visual. Animated flowchart showing sample selection and collection steps. Next, reagent preparation. Identify the correct reagents. Calculate concentrations using the mole concept. Safely prepare and store reagents. Visual. Animated glassware. Calculation graphics and safe storage icons. Volumetric analysis. Assemble equipment. Prepare your solutions. Perform titrations, step by step. Visual, step-by-step titration, animation and data recording. Gravimetric analysis, set up your apparatus. Prepare chemicals. Carry out gravimetric techniques to get precise results. Visual, lab setup and measurement animations. Safety is always a priority. Review essential safety procedures. Use of PPE. Adherence to standard operating procedures. Visual, safety gear icons and lab safety reminders. Essential skills are at the core of your training. Sampling, preparation, analysis, technical reporting. Build confidence and accuracy for real-world lab work. Visual, animated checklist and skill badges. Finally, assessments, practical exercises, knowledge checks. Track your progress. You're set for a comprehensive, practical and safe lab experience. Stay engaged, follow along, get ready to build your chemical analysis expertise.